nestles in the morning light, where the skies are blue. The sparrow sings, the owl joins too. A bunny hops through fields of green, while the deer prints in a peaceful scene. Birds and animals together we sing in nature's nest, where wild hearts cling from forest deep to mountain crest. Every creature finds its place to rest. Birds and animals together we sing in nature's nest, where wild hearts cling from forest deep to mountain crest. Every creature finds its place to rest, to rest, to rest. The lion roars so fields of green, while the deer prints in a peaceful scene. Birds and animals together we sing in nature's nest, where wild hearts